Welcome to Wow Kids Hub. Two cats and a monkey. Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were good friends. They got pieces of bread. While sharing, they made big and small pieces. They began to fight for bigger pieces. At the same time, a monkey saw them fighting. The monkey said, "I will share them equally." He bit the bigger piece to make it equal. Again, it bit the other bigger piece to make it equal. Again, it bit the other bigger piece to make it equal. The poor cats lost the bread. Moral: we must learn to share what we have.